AI is taking over the world in a good way. Today, I'm revealing 5 absolutely free AI tools that are so powerful they might just blow your mind. And guess what? No signups, no credit cards, and totally beginner friendly. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss amazing tools like these again. First up is Notion AI. This tool turns your boring notes into brilliant content, whether you're writing blog posts, to-do lists, or even YouTube scripts like this one. Notion AI can summarize, expand, and rewrite text in seconds. And yes, it is built right into the free version of Notion if you activate the trial, perfect for students, writers, or creators like you. Have you ever used Notion AI? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious how it worked for you. Number 2 is Leonardo AI, the future of image generation. It's like Midjourney but faster, free, and way more beginner friendly. You can generate ultra realistic or stylized images, perfect for content creators, designers, or even thumbnail makers like us. If you had the power to create any image with AI, what would it be? Drop your wildest ideas in the comments. This one's a hidden gem. Poe by Quora. It's a platform where you can use multiple AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Claude, and more in one place. For free. Perfect if you want to compare answers or get the best responses in seconds. Would you like me to make a tutorial comparing Poe to ChatGPT? If yes, comment do it below. Tool number 4 is for the creators. Mubert AI. It generates copyright-free music for YouTube, TikTok, podcasts, anything. Pick the style, mood, and length, and boom, your soundtrack is ready. No copyright strikes, no stress. Have you ever struggled to find the perfect background music for your videos? Say yes in the comments if that's you. And finally, meet your productivity buddy TLDV, short for too long didn't view. It summarizes meetings, podcasts, or long videos into bite-sized notes. If you're overwhelmed by Zoom calls or online lectures, this tool saves your time and sanity. Those were the 5 most mind-blowing AI tools you can use right now totally free. Which one was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. I'm replying to every comment for the first 24 hours. And if you want more AI tools, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. I've got 29 more epic videos coming your way this month.